guys, you've seen the thumbnail, so you know what car this is. If you remember, this is my little brushed 1/10, but I'd say it's more like 1/12. It's tiny, but I did run it once before. It was gifted to me a few months ago now, but it was all brushed, all stock. So what I've done is I've changed the wheels to bigger wheels. These are off the FTX Carnage, and I've also stuck in a Hobbywing BL 60 amp ESC, so that's brushless, and I believe it's a WL Toys. It's a 360/50 motor, which is also brushless. So this can run on 3S, but at the moment it's only on 2S, and both the ESC and the motor was gifted to me by two good friends of mine. So shout out to Vapor RC for the ESC and to me him for the motor. So it's got a lot more pep in it now. Oh, wheels. There you go. So yeah, it's got a lot more get up and go in it now. So I thought we're better off to try it than down at my playground, but I am under the trees at the moment because the heavens have just opened. The track is soaking wet with big puddles in it, and some of the puddles are bigger than the car. So I thought I'll stay on these little jumps under the trees, just have some fun. So without hesitation, let's get into it. Roof landing. Alright guys, so the plan is, if this breaks, then I know what I need to upgrade. Guys, is this the fastest car in the world? No. Is it good fun? So far, yes. Whoop. Oh, look at that, wheels. When I got this, it had friction shocks on it. I've now since put some O-rings in there, and I've filled them with oil, and they handle this terrain lovely. Whoop. Oh, still on wheels, look at that. Oh, saved it. I don't think she's got enough power in it to get a backflip out of it. Whoa! Mate, that was massive. Oh, she pulled a backflip. She got a backflip. And who says little cars ain't fun to drive? Another one. Oh, stuck in a bush. Trying to do a bit of tree parkour. No, this ain't the Ease Tactics video, not today. Oh, I've lost steering, guys. Let's have a look, see what's going on. Right guys, so what just happened is that screw there that's holding the servo horn and slash servo saver, that's just come off. That's why I had no steering. So I think I need a longer bolt going from there into the actual spline itself. But she's still working, so let's carry on. Alright, back in action guys, let's go. Look. Oh, hang on, that set me little steering, that bit out of whack a little bit. Guys, this is a little beast, this truck. Oh, look, just made it. Beast. Oh, in the bush, but she almost made it. Right, guys, the heavens are just about to open again. I've just felt a few drips on my head. So I don't know how long I've got until I start getting wet. Oh, nosy. Oh, lost sight of it there. Oh, on its roof. Tell you what guys, for a tiny little car, this has got some pep in it, this has. Oh, didn't even know where it was going to come from. Alright guys, I am actually starting to get wet now. I'm trying to stand under the trees to try to stay dry. But I don't know if you can see it. You might be able to hear it because of the road. You might not be able to, but it is raining now. Oh, look at that, still on the wheels. Oh, and I've lost steering again. Yeah, that's come off again. Yeah, look. I got no steering, guys. Yeah, look. But I'll tell you what, for a tiny little car, I think this car, what, about £100 I think off Amazon, something like that. Let's turn it off. Yeah, for a little car from Amazon, it's a little beast. But look, that's what's happened. The servo horn keeps coming off the spline of the servo, so I'm going to have to take that out and put that back on. But yeah, so I've got a little, I think it's a BL160 amp brushless ESC. I've got, I think it's a WL Toys 3650, I think it's 3300 kV with a 14 tooth pinion on it. Got it hooked up to my Dumbo receiver, so I can run all my cars on a Dumbo radio. And I know, but this is a Banggood Special servo, and you can see the 2 in there. Yeah, that's a 25 kilo servo. For a 112 car, it's a bit overkill, but the servo that was in it was even worse. It was absolute pants, so I thought I'd upgrade it, and that was the only one I had lying around. But for me, and a very wet, soggy playground, I'm done. This has been a little beast of a car, and it is the BEZGAR, what's that, HM101 4x4 ready to run. It's a cracking little car. But I do have another car just come through, so an unboxing video and a running video will be coming of that soon. I'm going to run that completely stock, but I will end up upgrading that, but as and when. Alright guys, so please like, share, subscribe, smash the bell, and you got to subscribe to me for coming out in this weather, just to bash for the love of the hobby. But guys, take care, I'm out.